Welcome to today's video, friends. Rope and glue. That's all you'll need to create original accessories. Original decorations can add a unique touch to your home. Rope and twine certainly aren't classic interior decoration items, which adds to their originality. Don't hesitate to grab some rope and turn it into decoration. We'll show you how. Rope is part of furniture. You can buy suitable ropes and nets at any hobby store. Then all you need to do is think about how you'll use them. You can replace handles or knobs with rope. The more skilled can make a weave for a chair. There really are no limits to creativity. Rope as interior decoration. Ropes can also be an interesting decoration, from which you can create an unconventional notice board, providing you with a place for more decorations. Many of the accessories you have at home can be enhanced or even repaired with cords. Try making a frame from rope. Similarly, you can use rope to frame a mirror, creating something unique that isn't commonly seen.